What is the meaning of gregarious? Gregarious is an adjective. It means tending to associate with others of one's kind, social. Gregarious animals, marked by or indicating a liking for companionship, sociable, is friendly, outgoing, and gregarious. Synonyms for gregarious: boon, clubbable, clubby, companionable, convivial, extroverted, outgoing, sociable, social. Antonyms for gregarious: antisocial, insociable, introverted, non-gregarious, reclusive, unsociable, unsocial. Use gregarious in a sentence. She is outgoing and gregarious. A gregarious child who ran up to every person on the playground and wanted to be their friend.